Alright, we'll do another cold start when it's only been sitting for a day and not 2 months. Alright, here we go. Just let it prime, turn the key. When you run the auxiliary battery, the solenoid on it, you have to rev it up to a certain RPM. When it's cold, it's a little bit higher of an RPM than when it's warm. So first time in the morning you have to give it a little gas, and then it kicks off. Now both batteries are charging. Uh-oh, I'm getting a low coolant level light. I guess I better check that. I'm on a hill. All the new stuff happens. Well, let's go see. Our coolant light's flashing. Yeah, it probably does need topping off just a little bit, so it's right about there. It usually does like to be full, so we'll do that. But other than that, purrs like a kitten. It's in the it's basically in choke mode right now, so until the I don't know if you can see it now. Dang it, sorry. It's just sitting there and it'll steadily go up just a little bit at a time, so it's giving it, obviously it's a rich condition. It's making it rich for like choke. And then once it warms up, it'll kick into normal mode, where it's always searching for the correct air gas ratio. And you can hear it back here when that happens, when that sensor when the hot cold sensor, whatever, the temperature sensor, when it gets the right temperature, it'll the idle will decrease. But I have metal fuel lines running all the way to the front, trying to see where the return's right here. It's metal all the way to the front. I have extra wires back here. There it went. You can hear it, it just kicked into, anyway, I have extra wires back here for if you want to add extra sensors or something back here, you can always come back and do that. The air conditioner bracket goes right here, so it just kind of blocks all of this. That's why I've just never really put it back in. It makes it a little harder to check the plugs and stuff. This is a really cool, it's hard to show, but this is a really cool alternator bracket. If you turn this screw, it turns gears and it rolls it out this bar, so it's really easy to set the belt tightness on your alternator. That was a really cool thing. And you can see this is what I was talking about. The power steering hoses are just a little moist right there. This one isn't even moist. This one's fine. It's just this, well, and where they go into the reservoir, just a little moist. Not really doing anything, just an annoyance. So anyway, let's go see. You can see the engine. Well, maybe I just bumped a wire. It's still warming up. Kick down a little bit in idle, but it's not warm yet. My exhaust has gotten a little rusty, but it was new when I put it in. Probably should have painted it or something. Not that that really does any good.